Hey there HVAC pros. Today I'm diving into the must-have tools that make our jobs not only easier but also more efficient. Whether you're new to the trade or a seasoned vet, these tools are game changers. First up, a digital manifold gauge set. Say goodbye to the old analog sets. Digital gauges give you precise readings and can even connect to your smartphone for easy data logging. This means faster diagnostics and happier clients. Next, a reliable refrigerant leak detector. These gadgets save you heaps of time by pinpointing leaks quickly. Look for one with audible and visual alerts so you never miss a beat. Don't forget a quality vacuum pump. A good pump ensures a deep vacuum, crucial for removing moisture and non-condensable gases from the system. It's worth investing in a reliable one that stands the test of time. Then, the multimeter. This tool is your best mate for electrical troubleshooting. Get one with high safety ratings and all the features you need like voltage, current, and resistance measurements. Another must-have, your trusty pipe cutter. Opt for one with a smooth, easy operation that can handle the various pipe sizes you'll encounter. It'll save you time and effort on each job. Finally, the essential tool bag. Invest in a durable, well-organized bag. It keeps your tools in top condition and makes transporting them a breeze. Consider one with plenty of pockets and compartments. Remember, the right tools not only make your work easier but also increase your efficiency and professionalism. Got a tool that you can't live without? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and keep those HVAC systems running smoothly. Catch you in the next video.